Hello friends, in this video we are going to see what are comparators, how comparators work and some of its applications. I am Surya from EEE department, Tyagaraja College of Engineering. Now let us get into our topic. So what are comparators? Comparator is a circuit which is used to compare the input signal with the reference voltage. Comparators operate only in the non-linear region of the op-amp. So what is a non-linear region? If we see the transfer characteristics, the region where the output is either plus Vsat or minus Vsat, regardless of the difference in input, is called nonlinear region. This is also called as saturation region. Comparators are not immune to noise. When the input signal is noisy, the output oscillates between plus Vsat and minus Vsat, and we will not get the desired output. Now, let us see the types of comparators. There are two types of comparators, inverting comparator and non-inverting comparator. From the circuit diagrams, we can see that if the input signal is applied to the inverting terminal, then it is an inverting comparator. If the input is applied to the non-inverting terminal, then it is a non-inverting comparator. Okay, now let's see the working of inverting comparator. To understand the working clearly, let us take V reference is equal to 4 volt and input voltage as 7 volt peak triangular voltage waveform. Comparators are always operated in open loop configuration. Now let us draw the input waveform. Next we will draw the reference voltage 4 volt. To draw the output waveform, let us mark the points where the input voltage and reference voltage intersect. So there are 4 intersection points. Now let us draw perpendicular from the points. Now consider this segment OA. Inverting terminal voltage is greater than the non-inverting terminal voltage. So output is plus Vsat. Next, in AB segment, non-inverting terminal voltage, that is inverting input signal, is greater than the inverting terminal voltage, that is reference voltage. So output is minus Vsat. Again in segment BC, V reference is greater than Vin. So output is plus Vsat. Similarly in region CD, we get the output as minus Vsat. So this is the output waveform of inverting comparator. Now we will see the non-inverting comparator. As we have already discussed, the input voltage is applied to the non-inverting terminal. Let us again draw the input waveform. Let us draw the reference voltage. Let us draw perpendiculars at the intersection points. Now the output waveform is split into 5 parts. We know that the operation of op-amp in open loop configuration, when the voltage at non-inverting terminal is larger than the non-inverting terminal voltage, we will get output as minus Vsat. So for segment OA, inverting terminal voltage is greater. So output is minus Vsat. In segment AB, non-inverting terminal voltage that is input voltage becomes larger. So output is equal to plus Vsat. Similarly, again in region BC, the output is minus Vsat and in region CD, the output is plus Vsat. Now let us see some problems based on the topics we have discussed. So first problem, given a comparator circuit, V reference is equal to 2 volt. Input voltage is equal to 8 volt peak triangular waveform. Time period is equal to 10 milliseconds. We are asked to increase duty cycle. Let us try to solve this. From the given circuit, we come to know that this is an inverting comparator since input is applied to inverting terminal. Okay, now let us draw the waveform of input voltage and reference voltage. Let us now draw the perpendiculars at the intersections. We have just now discussed how to draw the output waveform of inverting comparator. So with that knowledge, let me draw the output waveform. So this is the output waveform. Let us get rid of these lines. Now what are we asked to do? We want to increase the duty cycle. Before increasing the duty cycle, we need to understand what is duty cycle. Duty cycle is the ratio of on time of the signal to the time period of the signal. If the duty cycle of the signal is high, it means the on time of the signal is larger. To be more clear, on time of the signal is the time when the output is plus Vsat. If we see this input and output waveform, we can find the time period is 10 milliseconds and T on is 6 milliseconds. So if we calculate, duty cycle is roughly 60%. We are asked to increase duty cycle. So what should we need to do now? Which parameter is determining the duty cycle? If you are listening carefully, you would have noticed that the perpendicular lines which we have drawn determines on time. These perpendicular lines are dependent on the intersection points of input voltage and V reference voltage. So V reference is the determining parameter which determines the T on time. So this is an inverting comparator. If we just increase the V reference, we can increase the duty cycle. Let us increase the V reference to 6 volts. Now again let us draw perpendiculars at intersection points. Now let us draw the new output waveform. Now it is clear that the on time has been increased. So the new duty cycle is 90%. The important point to note here is if we vary the V reference, we can get different duty cycles accordingly. Okay, now let us move on to the next problem. Given a comparator circuit, modify the circuit to produce output voltage with T on is equal to T off of previous output and T off is equal to T on of previous input. Okay, before solving this problem, let us draw the input waveform and output waveform. The desired output waveform is as shown. Now, to invert T on and T off, what should we do? If you are watching this video carefully, you would have noticed that the output of the inverting comparator and the output of the non-inverting comparator, when both the V references are saved, are exactly 180 degree out of phase. We know that the given comparator is an inverting comparator, so if we convert this to a non-inverting comparator, we will get the desired output. Now, so this is the modified circuit. Now let us move on to the applications of comparators. Window comparator. Window comparator is a circuit that produces plus Vsat as output when the input is within the certain voltage range between Vh and Vl. So this is the circuit of the window comparator. It may look complex, but it is not complex. If you keenly notice, the first comparator is an inverting comparator and the second one is a non-inverting comparator. The reference voltage of first comparator is Vh, upper threshold voltage. The reference voltage of second comparator is VL, lower threshold voltage. Both the comparators have a common input. The output of the comparators are connected together. This acts like a wired AND connection. I will tell you why. If you notice, plus Vsat of both comparators are plus 5 volt. Minus Vsat of both comparators are 0 volt. We know that the comparators are either plus Vsat or minus Vsat. So these comparators will give output either plus Vsat or minus Vsat, plus 5 volt or plus 5 volt or 0 volt. When output of any one comparator is 0 volt, the output of the window comparator is also 0 volt. So this is a wired AND connection. Okay, now let us draw the input waveform and two reference voltages. Let us draw perpendiculars at the intersection points. Let us take the first case OA. In OA, the output of the first comparator is plus 5 volt and since the non-inverting terminal voltage is larger, but the output of second comparator is 0 volt since the inverting terminal voltage is larger. So output is equal to 0 volt. In segment AB, both the comparator outputs are 5 volt. So output of window comparator is also 5 volt. In segment BC, output of first comparator is 0 volt and output of second comparator is 5 volt. So output is 0 volt. In segment CD, output of first comparator is 5 volt, output of second comparator is also 5 volt. So output of window comparator is 5 volt. Similarly, we can draw the remaining waveform. An important point to note here is only when the input voltage is in the indicated range VH minus VL, the output of the window comparator is plus 5 volt. Otherwise, the output is 0. Since the output is plus 5 volt or 0 volt, these circuits can be used directly with digital circuits. Zero crossing detector. This is another application of comparators. ZCD is a circuit in which output switches from plus VSAT to minus VSAT or from minus VSAT to plus VSAT at the instant when the applied voltage is 0 volt. We can design a ZCD either with an inverting comparator or non-inverting comparator by setting V reference is equal to 0 volt. Let us draw the input waveform, reference voltage and output waveform. So this is the input waveform and the reference voltage is 0 volt. Let us draw perpendiculars. Since this is a non-inverting comparator, initially the output is plus VSAT. There are so many applications of comparators like phase detection in analog digital conversion, etc. Now let us summarize what we have learnt so far. So we have seen that there are two types of comparators based on which terminal the input is applied. If the input is applied to the inverting terminal, it is an inverting comparator, and similarly if the input is applied to a non-inverting terminal, it is a non-inverting comparator. Comparators operate in nonlinear region. Nonlinear region can also be known as saturation region. In nonlinear region, output is either plus VSAT or minus VSAT. Comparators are not immune to noise. If input signal is noisy, the output will not be stable as we desire. The output keeps oscillating between plus VSAT and minus VSAT. If we set plus VSAT as 5 volt and minus VSAT as 0 volt, the output will be either plus 5 volt or 0. These comparators can be used with combinational logic circuits, sequential circuits and other digital circuits. So, from the solved problem, we have seen that in a non-inverting comparator, output is high when the input voltage is greater than reference voltage. Similarly, in an inverting comparator, output is high when the input voltage is lesser than reference voltage. And we have also understood that if we want to increase the on time of the inverting comparator, we need to increase V reference. Similarly, if we want to increase the on time of the non-inverting comparator, we need to decrease the reference voltage. From the second solved problem, we have understood that to invert on time and off time of the output waveform, we want to interconnect, remove and reconnect V reference and input voltage. Then we saw two applications of comparators. First one is window comparator. We saw window comparators will have two comparators, inverting and non-inverting. The window comparator produces plus VSAT as output when the input signal is between particular voltage range. ZCD is a circuit whose output switches from one state to another state at the instant when input signal is 0. It can be implemented by both comparators by setting V reference is equal to 0 volt. I hope you liked this video. If you have any queries, feel free to put it in the comments. Thank you.